to our workshop venue because we will be conducting a workshop, and then later in the afternoon we're gonna go to the beach. I think we're gonna go on a tour, a cultural tour. Yeah, it's exciting. So this is the view from our end. So the weather is kind of gloomy today. Hi, Ate Crystal.
Hi, morning. It's raining.
How's the weather today, Ate?
It's so sunny and rainy at the same time.
Ay, ang daming tao. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
So what we're gonna do, massage your face. Let's do it together. Relax your jaw and push your tongue out from the back of the tongue bone. Good.
Ang babae sa lansangan. Parang, ha? Babakot. Nag-all-away na siya. Baby.
Margarita.
Ito banana ni Bailey.
Banana ni Bailey. Ikaw, masarap sa ano ba? Pang beach.
Mitamis, mitamis. Ano yun? Palayod?
Palayod!
Palayod! God!
Can I pet you?
Wala lang, napadaan lang.
Nakakatakot naman.
Luckily, we are certain that your efforts are
Convincing.
and very
Truthful.
Gcash is
Very
sufficient and
reliable.
bow.
Should I give up or should I go?
Should I just keep chasing paper?
Even if it leads away. Hey! Palawod!
We are in La Playa here in Estrella. I think we're going to go to the beach again. Yeah, we just came from another beach. Now we're going to do another swimming in the beach. Boy.
And then we're gonna sing along and we will have a barbecue night.
Hi, Bijoki.
Come and join us.
Maglalaro tayo ng volleyball ulit, ate.
Yes. Because we're not yet finished.
Kamusta, Lynette? Dead. Humimlay na, humimlay. Konting galaw. Again. Lemons na. Oh, lumalaban si Keiko!
Uy!
Nice game, nice game. Nice game.
Welcome to UAAP Bantayan Edition. Shower.
Hi guys! to leave again because we're gonna have dinner somewhere. We don't know where yet, but we're very excited to eat because we did a lot of activities both at the workshop and at the beach. So we're pretty exhausted, but we had so much fun. Thank you, Lord, for a very nice day. Wow. Ang ganda na simbahan, Shems. Wow.
Kaya mamaya-maya, mga kalapit yan. Ayan. Again, hindi siya healthy kung sumobra.
Sa kabukiran, walang kalungkutan. Lahat ng araw ay kaligayahan. Puso at not alone. Tell me you feel it too. Lay it down.
Can I have one of this, pa?
Kuya, pa-introduce mo ano po yan?
Binuboy.
Rambol.
Lambot?
Consistent ka. Ano pong napamili nyo? Napakarami. Yes, that's a lot. Ano Trisha na nabili mo?
Danggit lahat.
Nakakot-kot siya talaga. Tama lang. Tamad ako sa ganda.
So we're still locating documents.
Vamos Group of Companies.
Sige po. Cat.
This is the chicken womb.
Chicken wing.
Yeah. And this is my womb.
Yes po. We're the last day in last OOT. Ikot. So it's our last night here in Bantaya. We're done with our concert. Grabe, galing mata ko parang itim.